So we just got back from the grocery store, and after all our vacations, I am starting on my healthy eating kick again. And years ago I was on the Donette May program. If you've never heard of her, Google her. I get nothing for saying this, but she had a wonderful program as far as eating goes. And this is my weekly, or maybe 2 weeks, whatnot. But foods I'm going to eat is salmon. And we'll cut that up, probably make 3 evening servings out of it. And we usually have that with asparagus. We'll have stuffed zucchini, which hopefully I'll be sharing recipes for that. And the salmon. We'll have chicken salads with spinach leaves. I make hummus. I got the recipe from Donette May. And we use the chickpeas and the garlic and the sesame oil. Black beans and olives. I make beet wraps with homemade hummus and spinach leaves, tomatoes, and tortillas. The tortillas probably aren't the healthiest, but those are the ones I like. We'll have turkey bacon. I have shakes in the morning. I do drink Shakeology. I don't sell it, but I do drink it. And we make Shakeology shakes with honey and some Greek yogurt with blueberries. And of course, in the mornings, avocado is always great on toast or in my wraps. Love avocado. And this is basically, the fruit for the shakes, and garlic is always good. So this is what my diet will consist of here in the future. So yeah, I'll be sharing recipes on good stuff. I had health issues in the past from the way I was eating, and this new change in diet majorly improved my cholesterol, my blood pressure, not counting working out a little too. That's always good. So just want to share this new program. Look forward to more videos of recipes that I have. Thanks for watching.